Hi guys, today I'm going to show you Stalker application. It combines financial data and news articles to predict stock prices. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python manage.py run server to run the server. Copy this IP address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. About section, services section, contact us section. This project has two modules, admin and user. Let's check what are the functionalities of admin. Admin credentials are admin and admin. This is admin's dashboard. Admin can view users who are registered. Admin can manage APIs. Admin can add an API, delete and activate an API. Admin can view all the feedbacks and log out. And next module is user module. User should first register and log in. As I have registered, I can log in immediately. This is user's dashboard. User need to search the stock first. Copy Yahoo ticker symbol and search the stock. This is company's information and uh, company's financial information, income statement, quarterly income statement, balance sheet, quarterly balance sheet, cash flow, earnings date, analyst recommendations, dividends, stock splits, historical prices. Okay. Next, check what are the latest news of this stock. TCS opens industrial AI lab in Bangalore in partnership with NVIDIA. So these are all latest news related to TCS. And let's predict stock movements. These are companies information and stock stats. This is the stock graph. and prediction is bullish, confidence score is 75, and risk level is low. Expected move is 11% to 34%, and expected price range is 2262 and to 2285. And explanation, it also gives explanation as well.